Hi, I'll send this glass vase.
Okay, where's your box?
Oh, I forgot it at home.
That's a problem. This is fragile.
Yeah, it's very fragile.
Well, you'll need a special box.
Do you sell them here?
We sell strong boxes.
Great. How much is one box?
It's $20.
$20? That's too expensive.
It's a premium box. It protects glass.
But I bought it for $10.
I understand, but rules are rules.
Will you wrap it in paper?
No, we don't do that.
Can I use an old box?
Did you bring an old box?
No, I left it on my table.
Right. Then you'll buy a new box.
I'll just hold it carefully.
It goes abroad. You need a box.
Well, the plane goes far away.
So, will you buy the box?
No. I'll walk back home.
You walked here in the rain.
I know, but $20 is crazy.
Did you check our other options?
Do you have cheaper options?
Well, we have a small box.
Oh, how much is it?
It's $10.
$10? Still very expensive.
It's my final offer, sir.
Will it fit my glass vase?
Yes, it fits perfectly.
Fine, I'll take it.
Smart choice. It'll arrive safely.
Can I pack it now?
Yes, the tape is over there.
Is the tape free to use?
No, it costs $2.
$2? That's a robbery.
It's a very strong tape.
Next time, I'll bring my box.
And your tape. Cash or card?
I'll pay with cash. Here.
Thanks. Subscribe to ABC Learning English.